Okay, now, meron kang sino may day job sa inyo? Okay? Alam ko hindi to live ha, pero kung may day job ka and you want to transition sa freelancing, okay, merong steps na kailangan mo i-go through. Hindi pwedeng re-resign ka kaagad kasi burnout ka na or problemado na yung mental health mo. Okay, hindi. Kailangan strategic yung next move mo. Okay? I will give you some steps na I recommend if you have a day job. Number one, syempre kung may trabaho ka, talk to your spouse. Sabi mo asawa mo, mag-usap kayo, gusto mo itry ito, blah 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 blah. Huwag ka mag-resign muna. Okay? Huwag ka mag-resign muna, huwag patumpik-tumpik. Do this, mag-freelancing ka muna as a side hustle. Tell your husband or wife you need focus time to do this. Kahit 2 hours, 1 hour to 2 hours a day lang, okay na yan. Okay? Work at night after makauwi mo sa day job mo, 2 to 3 hours a day on freelancing. Kung ano mang itatrabaho mo sa beginner, ipapakita ko yun later. Okay, papakita ko later. So, no need to worry. And save at least, guys, very important. Save at least 5 to 6 months of monthly earning mo sa current job mo ngayon. Bakit kailangan mo ng 5 to 6? Kasi baka hindi ka makakuha ng client agad. Okay? Para hindi ka mawal ng pera. So, very safe na mag-ipon ka muna ng 6 months money ng current job mo. Number 7, get clients until your freelancing income matches your day job salary. I think it will be the best time na to resign. So, yun na, as a newbie, as a beginner, hindi naman pwede na gusto mo agad 6 figures. Okay? Hindi pwedeng ganun. Dapat, hinay-hinay. Siyempre, kahit $4 per hour muna, or $5 per hour muna, hindi pwedeng 6 figure agad. Napaka-imposible naman yun. I mean, I'm not saying impossible, pero baka ma-hurt ka lang in the end kung hindi mo ma-hit yan. So, for newbies, I would suggest, yung pinaka-the best goal nyo, kung may day job ka man, is ma-hit mo lang or ma-match lang ng freelancing clients mo yung current salary mo sa day job mo. That is the very best goal for you to transition. And number 8 step is get insured. Get insurance. Okay, very important. Kasi nga pag nag-freelancing ka, wala ka ng PhilHealth and all that, pwede mo pa rin bayaran pero hindi na yung boss mo sa day job mo yung nagbabayad. Ikaw na.